on the steps and go under the porch.
Yeah, what's his name?
Boots.
Boots? How old is he?
2.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3. Is today your birthday?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Boots is 3 too.
That kid is 3 years old? Wow, he looks real small.
My dad parked his car right over there.
Oh, yeah? That's a good place to park it.
It's in the shade.
Yeah.
It's all right there.
What does your cat like to eat?
He eats cat food.
Do you ever cook for him?
He don't eat people food.
Oh, he doesn't eat people food?
You don't cook his cat food?
No.
Oh.
He eats it like out of the bag, or do you put it in a bowl?
No, it's already in the bowl. But he's gonna eat.
Did he get any birthday cake?
Huh?
Did he get any birthday cake?
No,
How come?
'cause he don't.
Because you already said he doesn't eat people food, didn't you? Does he like it when you carry him that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he ever scratch you?
No, he don't scratch me this way. I hold him now and he scratched me.
Yeah. Does he sleep outside?
He sleeps in the shop.
In the shop?
In that one.
Yeah.